Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see Standard 4th Looking Around Environmental Studies workbook. In that chapter number 1, Let's go to school every day. Main 1, choose the correct alternative from those given below each questions and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. See the question number 1. When school is at a distance from home, what do small children usually use to reach their school? Option A, bus. B, an auto rickshaw. C, a bicycle. D, a scooter. Your answer is an auto rickshaw. Option B. Question number 2. What is constructed on a river so that it can be crossed easily? Option A, a tar road. B, a ropeway. Option C, a bridge. Option D, a wooden road. Your answer is option C, a bridge. Question number 3. Which vehicle do people use to go from one bank of a river to the other? Option A, a boat. Option B, a bicycle. Option C, an auto rickshaw. Option D, a bus. Your answer is option A, a boat. Question number 4. What is used in a desert to go to school? Option A, a bullock cart. Option B, a camel cart. Option C, a horse cart. And option D, a bicycle. Here they are talking about a desert. So, in desert, answer is a camel. Option B is your answer, a camel cart. Question number 5. Which vehicle do villagers use to carry farm produce to the market? Option A, a horse cart. Option B, a bicycle. Option C, a bullock cart. Option D, a bus. Normally in villages, villagers used a bullock cart. So your answer is option C, a bullock cart. Question number 6. Which vehicle has been given by the government to girls for going to school? Option A, a scooter. Option B, a motorbike. Option C, a bus. Option D, a bicycle. Your answer is option D, a bicycle. Question number 7. Sounds of what can be heard while passing through a jungle? Option A, sounds of a train. Option B, sounds of a bus. Option C, sounds of an auto rickshaw. Option D, sounds of birds and animals. While passing through a jungle, we can able to hear the sounds of birds and animals. So option D is your answer. Question number 8. Which vehicle does a crippled person use to move about? Option A, a white stick with a bell. Option B, an auto rickshaw. Option C, a wheelchair. And option D, a scooter. Your answer is option C, a wheelchair. Main 2. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. Number 1. A blanks is built on a river to construct a road over it. Answer is a bridge. Number 2. The use of a camel cart is seen more in blanks areas. Answer is a desert. Now see next page. Number 3. Children staying in blanks areas have to cross rocky roads to reach their schools. Answer is mountainous areas. Number 4. When school is at a distance, the two-wheeled vehicle blanks is a very useful. Answer is a bicycle. Number 5. A camel cart has blanks wheels. 4 wheels camel cart has, and while a bullock cart has a 2 wheels. Bullock cart has a 2 wheels. Number 6. A deaf dumb person communicates with the gestures of his or her eyes and fingers of the hand. Number 7. Children crossing a blanks may get to hear sounds of animals and birds. Answer is a forest. Main 3. Put a right mark in front of the statements that are true and a wrong mark in front of those that are false. Number 1. People living in a desert use horse cart. False, wrong. Number 2. Special schools are there for the blind to study in. Answer is right, true. Number 3. One can only go walking to school. Wrong. False. Number 4. A camel is used to travel in a desert. Right, true. Number 5. Pillars are built on rivers in order to cross them. Wrong. Pillars are not built, bridges are built. Okay. Number 6. Deaf, dumb people cannot see. Deaf means those can't able to hear. So, it's a wrong. Number 7. Steamers are very useful to travel quickly over the sea. So, true, right. Main 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter alphabet from column B in the answers column. First of all, see the column A. Number 1, boat. Number 2, bridge. Number 3, ropeway, trolley. Number 4, steamer. And column B. Option A, for transporting goods via sea routes. Option B, to cross a valley between two mountains. C, to cross the roads passing through a forest. D, for commuting in an area flooded with water. E, for vehicles to cross over rivers. Now see number 1, boat. बोट का आंसर है कॉलम बी, डी, फॉर कम्यूटिंग इन एन एरिया फ्लडेड विथ वाटर. नंबर 2, ब्रिज. दैट आंसर इज ई, फॉर व्हीकल्स टू क्रॉस ओवर रिवर्स. नंबर 3, ropeway, trolley, option B, to cross a valley between two mountains. Number 4, steamer. That's answer A, for transporting goods via sea routes. Now see next page. Main 5. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Question number 1. How do you go to school? Answer is we go to school in an auto rickshaw. If you go by a bicycle, then you can able to ride bicycle. Also scooter, then scooter. Okay, bus, then bus. Now see question number 2. Who uses the bridge? Answer is the bridges in my city are more used for the coming and going of vehicles. Big and heavy vehicles use the bridge early in the morning or late at night. Many people walk across the bridge too. Question number 3. What are the materials used to construct the bridge? Make a list of them. Answer is large slabs of RCC, cement, bricks, iron pipes and wood have been used to construct these bridges. Question number 4. What do children use while going to school during the rainy season? Answer is children uses umbrellas or raincoats while going to school during the rainy season. Question number 5. Can you ride a bicycle? If yes, who taught you to ride? Yes, I can ride a bicycle. And who taught you? That name you have to write down. Father, then father, uncle, then uncle, elder brother or sister, then you have to write down their name. My dash taught me how to write. डैश दी गई है, वहाँ पे आपको अंकल, फादर जिसने सिखाई है वो नाम लिख सकते हैं. Question number 6. How many children comes on bicycle to your school? Almost blanks children come on bicycles to our school. आपके स्कूल में जितने भी बच्चे आते हैं, that number you have to write down in the dash. Question number 7. Does your school have transport facility? If yes, then in which vehicle do you go to school? Answer is yes, our school have transport facility. I go to school in an auto rickshaw approved by school authorities. Question number 8. Which birds and animals can you recognize by their sounds? Answer is I can recognize the following birds and animals By their sounds, cows, buffaloes, goats, cats, dogs, crows, pigeons, peacock, parrot, sparrows, cuckoos, cocks, etc. Question number 9. Why do children living in Bet Dwarka use boats to go to their school? Answer is since the areas of Bet Dwarka are surrounded by water, the children living there use boats to go to their school. Question number 10. How do children living far away from the village or having to cross a field reach school? Answer is children living far away from the village or having to cross a field to reach school in bullock carts. Now see next page. Question number 11. How are blind people able to recognize others? Answer is blind people are able to recognize others with the help of their voice or by feeling or touching them. Question number 12. Which type of disabilities are seen in differently abled people? Answer is differently abled people may have deformities of the hand or leg, amputated hands or feet, polio, or deformity of any other organ. Question number 13. How does a deaf dumb person convey what he or she wants to say? Answer is a deaf dumb person conveys what he or she wants to say with gestures of the hands and fingers, with his or her eyes, or with movement of his or her lips. Main 6. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Imagine what difficulties would be there if the bridge was not there. Answer is had the bridge not been there, everyone would have faced great difficulties in crossing the river. They would have to cross the river in a boat, which would have taken a lot of time during the rainy season, and if the river is flooded, it cannot be crossed. It would be very difficult for transport of animals and goods. Question number 2. Is there a bridge near your village or city? Get more information about the bridge. Here I have written according to Ahmedabad city, but here you have to write down according to your city. Yes, I live in Ahmedabad city. The river Sabarmati flows through my city. There are 5 bridges over the river. These are known as Subhas Bridge, Gandhi Bridge, Nehru Bridge, Jawahar Bridge, Ellis Bridge, Wooden Bridge, and Sardar Bridge, respectively. Question number 3. Have you ever traveled in a boat? How was your experience? Answer is yes, we have traveled in a boat when we had gone on a picnic to Kabirwad. We all experienced a lot of excitement for the first experience of sitting in a boat. When we were in the middle of the river, our boat was rocking due to force and movement of river water. At that time, we felt a little afraid. Overall, we enjoyed it. Question number 4. What care should you take while passing through a jungle? Answer is many animals can attack us, so we must be very careful. Number 2. One should never eat any strange fruit without any identification in a jungle. Number 3. One should also be careful about poisonous creatures like snakes, scorpions, etc. And next point is one should always take care and stay alert all the time while crossing a jungle. See the next page. Question number 5. What difficulties do children living in mountainous areas face while going to school? Answer is roads in mountainous areas are uneven and rocky. While walking on such roads, children have to be very careful. Sometimes children hurt their feet. Sometimes a child falls down. Reaching school takes a long time. These are the difficulties which children living in mountainous areas face while going to school. Question number 6. In which areas is the facility of a ropeway seen? Which areas of Gujarat have the facility of a ropeway? Answer is ropeways are built in high mountainous areas where it is not possible to have roads or railways. Also, walking on such paths is very difficult and time consuming. In Gujarat, ropeways are seen at Ambaji, Pavagadh, and Saputara. In areas like Kashmir and Ladakh, where there are deep rivers or valleys, children use ropeways to go to school. Question number 7. How are people who cannot see able to read? Answer is people who cannot see are able to read with the help of the Braille script. Since this script is made up of raised dots on the thick paper, it is possible for them to fill the dots and read what is written. Question number 8. How can we help a blind person? Answer is we can help a blind person in the following ways. Number 1, help to cross the road. Number 2, giving them a seat in the bus. Number 3, reading out the news to them. Number 4, help them to climb a staircase or get onto a bus. Number 5, guide them correctly during a journey. Next page. It's a hot question. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each questions and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Option A, horse, B, bullock, C, camel, and D, dog. Answer is option C, camel. Number 2. Which two-wheeled vehicle moves with the help of your strength? Option A, scooter. Option B, a bicycle. Option C, a motorbike. Option D, a bullock cart. Answer is option B, a bicycle. Number 3. Which script is used for people who cannot see? Option A, Brahmi script. Option B, art script. Option C, people script. And option D, Braille script. Answer is option D, Braille script. Number 4. In which region is there very heavy rainfall? Option A, Assam. B, Rajasthan. C, Kutch. D, Saurashtra. Very heavy rainfall, you have to always remember Assam. Option A, Assam is your right answer. Here your chapter is completed. Now we will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.